Hi friends, welcome to my channel, Joyful Journey Fit. My name is Ellie. Today's workout is all about the step. Creating that movement, creating that free flow of energy, all walking, stepping, performing that nice gait consistency, that strength and mobility. I have step 1 and step 2. All my step workouts are made for complete beginners, seniors, those wishing to have a fun workout with not a lot of complexity. Let's begin with a walk. This workout is very simple, but yet challenging. Always being mindful of your step, having that full foot on the step as you step up and you step down. As in my previous step videos, we will flow through 6 different steps. This being the 3rd workout, we will flow through the steps and include music with those steps. Listen to the cues, watch and see the words on the screen. Enjoy the workout. Enjoy exercising daily. Let's begin as we are marching in place, loosening up through the body, doing this beneficial walk. Very good. We're going to start with that right basic. Always being mindful of your right and left side. In your room, my right side will be your left side. So be mindful of that right and left connection. Let's begin with a right basic. Let's go. Up, up, down, down. Being mindful, looking down occasionally, having that whole foot on the step. Step, 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 step. So right basic is number 1. Just getting the feel of the step. Having that good tall back posture. Shoulders are back down and relax. Those arms move freely by your side to help support your balance, your stability, and also work to tone that total body, making it a full body workout. Very good. We're going to do 2 more. Step, knee, step, knee. We're changing sides. Right up, left up. Done. Excellent. A couple more. Then we're going to go into that left basic. How about 3 more? Let's go. Up, 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 up. All with that left foot leading the way. And again, going at your own pace, Do a couple more basics on that left side. It's a very narrow stance, similar to those knees. When we alternate, very good. Let's step up, step up. Going back to those high knees. Left and right. Left and right. Left steps up, right steps up. Excellent. Couple more. Let's do one more on each side. So up and up and up. Let's walk in place. Now within each workout, we do a little bit of balance. So we're going to slow this walk down. Very good. Place the hands on the hips, those feet shoulder width apart. We're going to extend that right toe out and just up and down with the arm. Coming back to that breath. Let's do two more. Very good. Come back to that nice stance. Both hands on the hips. Extend that left leg. Again, your left leg. I'm going to go up and down with the arm. Just balancing on that right side. You're doing a great job. Going to do two more. We'll go back to that walk. In that narrow stance. Hip width apart with the feet. Those shoulders are softened and relaxed. You're going to start leading off with that right foot. So we're going to face the left side of the step. Slow this walk down, step up, knee, down, and down. Corner, right knee, and left up. Right foot steps up, left foot steps up. A little bit slower, so you get the movement down. A lot of transferring of weight on each side. Standing tall and confident. That whole foot on the step. I'm going to do one more on each side, then that outside leg is going to kick. So we're starting on that inner right, left kick. Inner left, right kick. Occasionally looking down at your step. And just letting the arms flow and be free of movement. Always keeping that soft bend in the knee. It's a kick, but it's controlled. Doing great. A couple more. Do one more on each side. That was 1 and 2. Let's go back to that walk. Very good. We're going to come to be on the step in the front. So placing, just moving your step so it is lengthwise. You're going to come to the left side of your step. Step up on the right, the left follows. Step down on the right, the left follows. Left, right, left, right. Both feet come to the step, reaching towards that right side, then that left side. Again, slow and controlled. That knee tracks over the ankle each time. So building some strength with these 2 sets of movements. That knee and kick, going slower, building strength in the lower legs. Very good. One more time on each side. Excellent. Just walk in place behind the step. Taking those beneficial inhales and exhales. Twice more. And one more time. Very good. Are you ready for some music? Let's transition. So all the movements will be done just having that step in this space. Let's get ready for that music. place the hands just to cool down, just heels and toes. Excellent. Bring the arms down by your side. We're going to take one arm up and down, and then the other one up and down. Very good. Just cooling down the body. For an extended cool down, please see the video at the top of the screen. Click on it or view the description for additional options for that beneficial cool down. Very good. And as promised, we're going to do just another balance exercise, bringing that toe to heel connection, offering that balance beam stance, standing tall. You can bring your arms out to the side. You also may hold on to a chair or perform the movement slightly in a lunge with straight legs. Wider stance, a wider gap. Just hugging those inner thighs together, rooting down through the feet. Excellent. We'll come back and we'll just transition to the other side, placing that other foot in front, maintaining that balanced stance. Again, extending out the arms or holding on to that chair, just relaxing through the shoulders, lengthening through the spine to that crown of the head. Excellent job. Thank you so much for joining me today. It was a pleasure as always. Have a beautiful day. You're doing a great job.